This video will continue our study of nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are polymers of individual nucleotides. Nucleic acids are categorized as either DNA or RNA. This happens as a result of a condensation reaction between a nucleotide and a nucleotide triphosphate, or DNTP. The bond formed is a 3'-5' phosphodiester bond. This means that the 3' carbon of the preceding nucleotide is covalently bound to the phosphate of the incoming nucleotide triphosphate, which is attached at its own 5' carbon. As a result, a growing nucleotide will exhibit directionality, or have ends that are built differently. Looking at the nucleotides on either end, the nucleotide that has its 5' carbon projecting out is called the 5' end, or terminus. At the other end, the carbon projecting out will be that of the 3' carbon, making it the 3' end. If you would like to read the nucleotide base sequence in order, you would read from the 5' end to the 3' end. From this sample in your textbook, the nucleotides are: at the 5' end, adenine, cytosine, uracil, guanine, then the 3' end. This short animation illustrates the formation of a phosphodiester bond between an incorporated nucleotide with an incoming deoxynucleotide triphosphate. The bases will form either 2 or 3 hydrogen bonds with the complement base. They are hydrophobic and are located facing the interior of a nucleic acid. During complement DNA to DNA base pairing, cytosine binds with guanine with 3 hydrogen bonds, and adenine binds thymine with 2 hydrogen bonds. Regarding DNA structure, it exists as a double-strand helix. Each of the strands bind in a complement fashion and are anti-parallel. This means that the two strands run in opposite directions, one in a 5' to 3' and the other in a 3' to 5' direction. Each strand has a sugar phosphate backbone with the hydrophobic bases facing towards the inside. Lastly, RNA molecules are single-stranded. The three major types of RNA include mRNA, tRNA, and RNA. RNA molecules can also form complements, have a sugar phosphate backbone, and hydrophobic bases. We will study the structure and function of DNA and RNA in much better detail at the end of this semester. In summary, nucleic acids are formed by phosphodiester bonds between nucleotides. DNA strands are antiparallel and bind in a complement fashion, and RNA are single-stranded but also exhibit directionality.